Motina County in north-central Kisota. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail was located near Ngoro, moving east at 70 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will impact the following locations. Ngoro. For your protection, move indoors to a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Remember, severe thunderstorms can, and occasionally do, produce tornadoes with little or no advance warning.